Hello peeps, and welcome back to Dubious Engineering. Good news! The local charity store has now started offering electronics goods. And even better news, I found a little baggie up there. Let's have a look and see what's inside of it. Charity mate. PlayStation 2. Yes indeed, 20 quid. Boots up, shows me the loading screen. But for whatever reason, the controller doesn't seem to work properly. Only one button works on the controller. I'll show you what I mean. If I just put this little pad here. If I try to go in the opposite direction or press the start button or select button, nothing seems to work. And I've tried this in both ports on the PlayStation 2. Not only that, but I've tried multiple controllers and pretty much all exhibit the same problem. So let's get inside that PlayStation 2 and see if we can fix this. These things are really quite cute when you get them open. They're sort of modular. I mean, literally just a few screws and the whole thing is coming out. And it's all encased in RFI shielding and cooling. There's a nice little cooling fan on here, and actually that all looks very clean inside there. In fact, the PlayStation itself is incredibly clean. Here's the little the laser over here for reading the CD, a little worm drive that effectively converts a rotary motor into a linear drive, and then a little spinny thing to make the disc spin. And then here we've got like a reset button and an LED. That's actually an infrared receiver. Anyway, very cool. The key thing is getting to these connectors and the circuit boards associated with those connectors. I've plugged in the controller. I couldn't see anything obviously wrong. So I just thought it would be interesting to spin this up naked and see what happens. So I've found out there are two little switches, one on the top of here and another one here. And both of them seem to do sort of similar things really. They detect when the door is open. So if we just shove a disc in place, hold this switch down, hold this switch down and press the on button. With a bit of luck, there we go. You can now see the disc spinning up. There you go. PlayStation booting up. I still am suffering. I can't go up. I can only go down. And the start button doesn't work, the select button doesn't work. Nothing works apart from the down button. So annoying. Alcohol, pure alcohol on a cotton bud. I can see just a little bit of carbon having come off of that there. It's just a little bit of dirt. Let's just do these 4 pads. But I genuinely do not hold out hope that this is going to be the solution. This is the reciprocal part. Ooh, yeah, they're quite mucky in there. Let's get in there, give them all a good clean up. I mean, these things get a hard life, you know. Kids punching the hell out of them. Right. So, let's see, do we move down? Yep, we move down. Do we move up? Still no. Having done a little bit more research, if I just try and hold this resistor in the appropriate place, you'll be able to hear when I connect it to this guy here. There we go, that moves down. And when I connect it to that guy there, that moves up. So that would just go ahead and indicate to me that actually the problem is indeed with the controller rather than the PlayStation. And the weird thing, the only thing that connects to this controller is this little green PCB here. So I just don't get it, because if I touch that with the screwdriver, which is the down key, everything works. If I touch that one with the screwdriver, it doesn't work. Yeah, it's a really, really weird one. And there we have it, folks. 20 quid from the local charity shop. This controller, absolutely cream crackered. It's definitely the flexi PCB that's the problem. So, all that to one side. And yes, we have a wireless PS2 controller. Let's put in James Bond from Russia with love. So I see you like to put CDs in a machine, Miss Moneypenny.
May I help you?
A dry martini. Shaken, not stout.
Shaken,
Certainly.
not stout.
Mr. Bond. Too bad. The game is over, Mr. Bond.
I think it's just begun.
I can do forward rolls. Anyway, this is working a treat, as you can see. I'm quite enjoying playing 007 James Bond on the PS2 for 20 quid in a charity store. Actually, the wireless controller, which is DualShock, cost 15 quid, almost as much as the games machine itself. Anyway, there we have it, ladies and gents. A PS2 fix-up job. Thankfully, it was the controller, not the PS2, that was the problem. As always, thanks for watching Dubious Engineering. Take care, have a wonderful week and weekend, and we'll see you again in the near future. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Make sure you give us a thumbs up. Cheers and beers, people. Bye for now.